Here's how to create Facebook and Instagram ads for your service-based business using Canva. Super easy, no design experience necessary. Just follow along, check out the templates. I'm also going to be explaining the sales psychology so that you know how to do this for yourself. If you are someone who wants to do this for yourself, but you want more help than a YouTube video, book a free call with me below and you can go through my program where I will teach you how to run ads for yourself if you don't want an agency. However, if you do not want anything to do with this, you don't want to put in the time or all of the tech headache that goes along with this, you may qualify for me and my team to run your ads on commission-based only, but that is something you might qualify. So book a call below for either option and we will talk about that. Otherwise, let's get started. So I drafted up 3 different examples here. The first one is for a tree trimming business, made up of course, but you might even just say Southern California, save big on tree trimming services. I used what is called the lift effect under shadows, or excuse me, glow. I used the glow effect on this image to make it pop because usually images that have a 3D like effect going on will get will be better at stopping the scroll. And then I said small trees starting at 75, medium trees starting at 150, large trees starting at 400. You can see that I do use the same font, but I just alter between bold and italicized down here to give myself just a little bit of play with the text and make it look a little bit more professional, even though it's super, super simple. And then I just mentioned 4.93 out of 5 stars on 217 reviews in the bottom left corner. And then you have the option of putting your logo on the right. This looks simple. This would work if that is all people need to know. And you can just run this to the local area and they instantly know, hey, Southern California, or you'd say Los Angeles or wherever you are trying to advertise to, so that all of those people instantly stop on the ad and they know that this ad was made for them, and then save big on tree trimming services. And you can just simply lay it out. You can lay out testimonials. You can lay out how you've been in business for 12 years now, how you don't have subcontractors, how you're going to get the job done within 7 days after they pay. Whatever you do, whatever services you guarantee, you can put here and make an ad out of it. But if that's all the info that you need in order for people to buy, then that's all I would try to include in your ad at the beginning. The best way that you can make up or come up with how much pitch you need is if you've ever tried to sell your offer in person before to someone who's brand new to your company and they come up and talk to you and you tell them about it and then you get a sale. However much info you had to give them is a good way to go about thinking about it. Because especially when the ad is going to lead to an instant form, and right after this ad, they're going to go into filling their contact details to become a lead, they do need to be completely closed from the ad. If you're sending them to a website where there's going to be a lot more info or even a video, then the ad only needs to get them curious enough to go to the next page. And then that has to get them fully sold on your offer. So just know that the back end process does matter in how much information you're going to put in the ad. If you're going to write to a forum, obviously everything they need to know needs to be at the ad level. Here's another example for a fitness coach. You might have seen an ad like this. I'm looking for 10 men living in Denver, Colorado who are ready to get in the best shape of their lives this summer over a 60-day fitness and diet challenge. Simple background. I threw this over it, by the way. A lot of you want to use a background like that, which is too complicated for text like this to appear cleanly. So you do have to do that, and put it behind it is a very simple design trick that I use all the time for creating service-based offers. This is just a center align, chunky paragraph, but I try not to go more than, six or 7 lines, what I got going on here. If anything, I might even try to reduce this after. One of the rules that I love to live by is if I can say the same thing in less words, I always will. So, that would be something good to exercise here. And then here's my last examples. Example, it says, got mosquitoes, ? We'll take care of them for 50% off your first visit when you sign up for our quarterly mosquito maintenance plan. 49 cross out to 25. A little disclaimer here for the first quarter, and then 49 per quarter after. And it's just as clear as day. I also use the arrow here, which looks nice design-wise, but it also will always really attract attention. So you can look at this ad without the arrow, and then with the arrow, I think it looks a lot nicer. It also just balances out the fact that I have text on the right side. It creates a little bit more symmetry in the ad, and then it just points to the number that I want them concerned with. But clear as day, got mosquitoes. I am having instant identification of what is being sold or who is being sold to. Men living in Denver who are getting best shape of their life. Southern California, save big on tree trimming services. It's always blatantly obvious. It's clear what I'm selling and who I'm selling to. If you do that, all you need to do after that is have a service that people actually want to buy. Because if you can't get results from Facebook ads, it is mostly a reflection of people don't want to buy your service that much. And if people want to buy your service and you don't want anything to do with ads, then make sure you book a call with me, because my team can run these for you. We'll get you the leads, we'll help you close them, and you'll only pay us once you've closed a sale. We will just take a commission on it. Or if you don't want to hire an ad agency, you can hire me to teach you how to run these ads yourself, and we will build out your images together, launch them, create the landing page, the lead form, call the leads. We're going to do everything together, and we're going to get you your first sale. And once you get it, then great, you've graduated. You can run your ads on your own. So either way, book the free call below, and I will talk to you in the next video.